Hello, this is raonics. Let's start with the installation of the water heater installation. First of all, you people and some support first fix and secondly, connection the power line like then using an MCCB capacity is around 30 ampere more. And like that, you have here happens first power line, and here and second here. If you have FG, you can using here connection, but you don't have FG connection. No need connection here. And then here is water input side, like that. Here in, right, is outside. Here out. Okay, outside you can get the warm water. And then you can power on. And then here is this indicator is input water. In Korea now, input water temperature is 15.2. And then 2 seconds touch on. And then you can using is level mix 4 and turn on water. And then you can get the warm water like that. Even you can choose and some power level. Here is 40. Now 3 using is on the line 35, and 2 level is 32. 1 push time is you can using and around 3 kilowatt, 3000 watts using power. Our water instant heater machine can get the 4 kind of and some power level. Level 1 is 6 kind of or is at 3 quarts heater using, and level 2 4 quarts, level 3 5 quarts, level 4 is around 6 quarts using. Is it all? Now you can using continuous and unlimited warm water can using at this raonics.